Hey guys, so we are in Hilton Head right now and we're going to be bike riding again to South Beach or something. We're going to go to the Salty Dog again and just hang out down there for a little bit and go shopping. But I thought I would do a quick vacation vlog of like the food we brought. So to jump right into it, this is like, we didn't bring anything healthy. We did a little bit. This is all our junk crap. We have Chips Ahoy, some vanilla granola with strawberries in it from like Whole Foods or something, Pop-Tarts, Nature Valley bars. These are so good. These are from me, as you can see. I like them a lot. And this is for me too, trail mix. I can never have enough trail mix. It's kind of pathetic, actually. Well, actually, I mean, like, seriously, this was from 2 days ago. I've eaten that much. What a fatty. Boboli. This stuff is so good. We put just like butter and garlic on it, and that's it. It's so good. We have this organic, white cheddar cheese popcorn, and just some chips. More chips and pretzels. These are for my brother, I think. Cheddar stacks. Some tuna. And best of all, Nutella. You guys don't know this about me, but this stuff is the best stuff on earth. If you want to make me happy. Over here we have our fruit. Obviously it's not as expensive as the snacks. We just have, unrefrigerated fruit. We just have some nectarines, bananas, and pears. Go over here. There's just some breads and, I don't know, stuff we had for lunch, beans. In here we have Sunny D's for my brother. I hate these things. Vitamin water. XXX is my favorite. Scandalous. Orange juice. Okay, down here just a bunch of random stuff. We have these sandwich rounds. They're so good. Peppers, cucumbers, salsa, edamame. I love this stuff with like some carrots. You guys should really try this out. It's so good. From Trader Joe's. Vegetable juice, yogurt. This is my yogurt, Oikos. So good. Cantaloupe in the back, and here's some pineapple cut up, eggs, some turkey, vegetables, oranges, and apples. Up here, this is my family's. This is Berry Boost, Bolt House, smoothie juice stuff, and this is mine because I'm in high demand. Strawberry banana, Bolt House Farms. That's what's in it. That's all that's in it. There's no colors or anything. It's just all natural. So good. This right here, if you guys want to know how to make this, this is, what is this? Oh, white tea with peppermint. It is amazing. It just tastes like peppermint tea, basically. So good. So if you guys want to know how to make that, comment in the doobly-doo below, and I will do a video on that. Jelly, Hershey's, condiments, stuff like that. More vitamin water. Some apples. We have ice. We brought ice with us. So yeah, this is our kitchen and all the food in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I will talk to you guys later.